Good morning, I am Manya Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, we will cover about India inks chip deals with Singapore as Prime Minister Modi pushes tech ambition. Meta Telangana government partnership for e-government citizens leveraging AI tech. Samsung launches 2024 Crystal 4K dynamic TV in India. Then on Honor Watch 5, a powerful upgrade for your wrist. Qualcomm, Samsung and Google smart glasses. Ashwini Vaishnav named in the Times most influential in AI 2024. And finally about Ola Electric set to revolutionize three-wheeler market with upcoming Rahi auto rickshaw. In yesterday's quiz we asked about 1 gigabyte has how many megabytes? And the answer is 1000 megabytes. Now it's time for today's question. What is the full form of email? Think you know the answer? We want to know it from you. Leave your guess in the comments below and we will reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin. Starting with the news, India and Singapore have committed to enhancing their collaboration in the semiconductor and digital technology sectors. Their goal is to play a larger role in the global chip supply chain, which is being reshaped by ongoing tensions between US and China. On Thursday, social media giant Meta announced a 2-year partnership with Telangana government to advance e-governance and citizen services through artificial intelligence technologies. According to a release, the strategic partnership will empower public officials and citizens with the latest emerging technologies like AI to enhance e-governance and citizen services. Moving forward, Samsung has just launched its 2024 Crystal 4K dynamic TV starting at 41,990 rupees. This sleek TV comes packed with cool features like 4K upscaling, dynamic crystal color and air slim design. With 1 billion shades of colors and HDR support, you are getting lifelike picture quality that makes every detail pop. It's also called a multi-voice assistant for easy control through Bixby or Alexa. Plus, Q Symphony tech for immersive sound by syncing the TV and soundbar. And for security, it comes with Samsung Knox protection. Ready to upgrade your home entertainment? Let us know what you think about it. Moving towards our news section again. Honor just launched the new Honor Watch 5 and it's packed with awesome features. It has a 1.85-inch AMOLED display which is brighter, bigger than its predecessor, offering up to 1000 nits of peak brightness. Built with a sleek 6 series aluminum frame, it's equipped with a rotating knob, speaker and microphone for Bluetooth calls. It's also waterproof with an IP68 rating and tracks various sports activities with built-in GPS. The Watch 5 introduces scientific sleep management, healthy morning reports and quick health scans for more account health monitoring. Plus, the 480 mAh battery gives you up to 15 days of battery life. Perfect for keeping you connected and healthy on the go. Just take it. Qualcomm, Samsung and Google are teaming up to create mixed reality smart glasses that connect to your smartphone, making them lighter and more practical. Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 chip will power the glasses while your phone handles much of the processing and battery load. With expertise from all three companies, the goal is to deliver high quality display, optics and audio. If priced right, these smart glasses could rival Apple's Vision Pro, making advanced tech more accessible by leveraging the devices we already carry. Next is Ashwini Vaishnav, India's Minister of Electronics and IT, has been featured in Times Magazine Most Influential People in AI 2024. It was for his leadership in AI initiatives. Under his guidance, India aims to become a global leader in AI and semiconductor manufacturing within 5 years. The country has also hosted major AI events including Global India AI Summit as a part of its efforts to build AI capabilities. Despite challenges like limited private R&D investment and the need for specialized workforce, Vaishnav is spearheading India's ambitious AI goals. Last but not the least, Ola Electric is gearing up to enter the electric three-vehicle market in its upcoming Rahi auto and cargo rickshaws. Recently spotted testing in Bengaluru, Rahi sports a futuristic design with LED headlights, square DRLs and single-blade windshield wiper for better visibility. While powertrain details are still under wraps, it's likely Ola will leverage its expertise in battery technology, possibly featuring a removable battery pack. A 2024 launch seems likely, and with Ola's strong reputation, this new electric rickshaw could shake up India's commercial transportation sector, making EVs a more mainstream. So this was all about today's news. We will again connect with you tomorrow. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe IT Voice. Thank you.